NeighbourFood is all about connecting local customers with local producers, bringing the freshest products to market in a sustainable way. The Irish flower farmers have a similar ethos, and they celebrate that annually with Irish Flower Week, which runs from the 1st of July to the 7th of July. Here are some of the Irish flower farmers that are a part of the NeighbourFood family.
Hi, I'm Anna Hogan from Seekings, and you'll find my sustainably grown flowers at Cork City and Douglas.
My name is Fiona Ferguson of Conicker Farm, and you can buy my farm-raised plants and flowers at Mullingar.
Hi, I'm Anna Browne of Big Sky Flowers. I grow lots of flowers in a small productive suburban garden. You can buy my flowers at the NeighbourFood markets in Mullingar and Ballymahon, where I'm also the host.
Hello, I'm Petra from Square Garden Flowers, and I grow sustainable flowers for NeighbourFood in Watergrass Hill.
Hi, I'm Greta from the Flower Field. I sell my flowers in Dunleary, Grangecon and recently in Healy.
Hello, I'm Tracy McDermott of the Good Life Blooms. Here are a small selection of the local flowers that I grow for Inniscorthy NeighbourFood. Behind me is a small section of the approximately half-acre growing area that I have. This is where I started my growing adventure.
Hi, I'm Ruth from Ruth Fortune Flowers. You can buy my flowers at NeighbourFood Lissavard and Skibbereen.
Hi, my name is Audrey. I'm growing flowers in Curra and I sell them in NeighbourFood Clare.
Hi, my name is Yesca Healy from Yesca's Flowers, and I sell my mountain grown flowers in Killarney and Sulinterley.
Hi, my name is Flicky and I'm from How Hill Flower Farm in County Cork, and I supply my local NeighbourFood market in Kinsale.
Look out for Irish Flower Week, July 1st to the 7th. You'll see special promotions, online competitions, and bonus bunches at your local NeighbourFood market.